Welcome to Is MyCrypto Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to MyCrypto Wallet and related resources are available in the description below. MyCrypto Wallet is an open-source, non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet designed primarily for managing Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. It's built with security and accessibility in mind, catering to both new and experienced crypto users seeking full control over their assets. MyCrypto is a web-based wallet that can also be used via its desktop application for enhanced security. Being non-custodial, it ensures that you are the sole owner of your private keys, meaning only you have access to your funds. This approach eliminates reliance on third-party custody, significantly reducing risks associated with centralized platforms. Setting up the wallet is straightforward, and users can opt to manage their wallets with private keys, mnemonic phrases, or hardware wallets like Ledger, Trezor, or KeepKey for additional protection. In terms of security, MyCrypto offers robust features, including phishing detection and anti-malware measures built into the platform. Its offline signing capabilities allow users to sign transactions without exposing private keys to the internet, adding an extra layer of protection against hacks. Additionally, the wallet supports multi-account management, enabling users to organize and interact with multiple wallets seamlessly. MyCrypto is also user-friendly, featuring an intuitive interface that simplifies managing tokens, sending transactions, and interacting with decentralized applications, dApps. It supports Ethereum Name Service, ENS, for easier transactions by replacing complex addresses with readable names. Advanced users will appreciate its built-in tools for customizing gas fees and transaction parameters, ensuring flexibility for different use cases. Overall, MyCrypto Wallet is a secure, versatile, and highly customizable option for managing Ethereum-based assets. It's perfect for users who value non-custodial solutions and want a balance of simplicity and advanced features. If you're looking for a wallet that prioritizes user control and security while offering a seamless experience, MyCrypto is worth considering. Check the description below for links and additional resources to get started.